Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming your Redmi 13c meets basic prerequisites: unlocked screen, MIUI that supports a control center, and enough battery to avoid shutdowns. Open Settings now and tap Notifications and Control Center. This is the gateway. Once done, find the Control Center and Notification shade option and tap it. You act immediately rather than explaining every menu. This gets you into the right configuration screen, so you can enable and customize the control center quickly and accurately. Now you enable and configure the control center itself. Toggle the main switch to turn it on, then choose whether to use separate control and notification panels or a combined layout. That choice changes how you invoke it. Next, tap Customize or Edit to add, remove, and reorder quick toggles. This determines what you see first. Finally, enable gesture settings if you prefer swiping down from the right edge to open the control center. These steps refine both behavior and appearance for daily use. Finish by testing the control center. Swipe down from the right top corner to open it, and swipe from the left for notifications if you separated the panels. Make sure each quick toggle responds and that brightness and connectivity controls work. If gestures don't respond, restart your Redmi 13c to reload system services. If layout or toggles act strangely, return to Settings and reset Control Center configuration. That often clears cached UI issues and restores expected behavior, so you can rely on the feature.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.